Welcome to today's weekly commentary. So in today's weekly commentary, we'll be talking about some major trade, like we do before, right? So we're starting with good, and we'll also discuss report for the week, so that you know the pairs you'll be pairing for the week and trade accordingly. All right. So here we have good. We have we have a big structure right here, the upside, which is a formal structure range or a major structure range on this daily time frame. So after the major structure range you have here. Right here, we can see that good broke structure to the upside. All right. Then created what a range structure, and we'll have a break structure right here, which signifies a bearish expansion, to the downside. On intraday time frame, let's say 1 hour time frame, we notice right here that the market is bearish after this shift of structure right here. Market continues selling. So on this 1 hour time frame, right here, this can be a major structure, right? That can be a major structure. Why this being a range structure in my own view? This being a range structure right here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. There is what? Imbalance right here. So you mark it out a week. All right. In my community, we treated this, but at least it was being down right here. So another thing you should understand is this: once market break this high, break it with momentum, at least I'll be short bullish for a retracement at least into this range, or if possible, there's no change of trend for a bearish trend, I will be expecting market to get to this area before I'll be looking for a bearish expansion again. So the reason is because for technical view, if market break this high, that become kind of like what? Break of structure, at least to trade into this structure range. So on this 1 hour time frame, there's a short reversal right here, which signifies for market to come at this high after taking this little introducing a little imbalance. It continue now. If possible, if it break this high, that signifies for higher price for market would trade higher. All right. So that is the first major you have to understand on this pair in terms of what outlook and commentary of what happened as of last week. Now we go to Euro. On Euro USD, we notice right here the from Monday, which was this, we discussed this sell, right? Market offered what a reversal just right above this high. So the reason why I this sell is because this high is a break of structure. At the same time, it's also what a liquidity as market did that give a reversal pattern right here. So I knew market is now what offering what a short term sell. So and the short term sell, my target was actually this candle low. The market take out this candle low, the market offered what a buy setup right here. So after the buy setup, which we discussed in our live session we did on Tuesday. So it offered this buy setup until market at this high. After this high, that the same okay, that was on Wednesday on feed market reject instantly. So after this rejection, that Wednesday, I didn't catch this sell earlier on until this area, which I gave the outlook on Thursday. So market offered us this sell. And the sell into lower time frame after market broke this structure low because this is a change change of trend right here. We see bullish candles right here. Market breaking the structure right here. That signifies the sell movement. And we have inducement high right here. So this was my PY, my major PY right here. For market to give us what is sell program. So market offered this sell on the outside. Same thing on Friday. It also offered what is sell just after grabbing the whole of this what unsupported structures because they didn't what rely on any structure. So market back, took them out for dropping on Friday. So this is the recap or this Euro USD as of what last week. What do we expect on USD? Based on fundamental analysis, Euro USD is gaining strength based on fundamental analysis. All right, because USD itself is becoming weaker, even from interest rate and good report. USD is becoming weaker. But on technical analysis view, market is still within this structure range, this and this. All right, in form of technical analysis, market is still bearish. Why? Because trading into this area, mitigating this area, breaking structure, and giving us what a momentum change right here. That signifies market what giving intention of what going lower, at least if possible to take out this low, right? To take out this low and trade into this area before we look for a bullish expansion. All right. Now, why am I expecting this bullish expansion? Because technical analysis is still bearish. On Wednesday, close bearish, which was this. Thursday close bearish, Friday close bearish. So that signifies market is what has intention of what going lower. It's here to give us what any form of what reversal. Since market is here to give a form of reversal, that is telling us that we are turning bearish. What do you do at this point? You start looking for what sell. All right. So until market was otherwise, or until market align with fundamental analysis, which is bullish, which we'll come back to later on. Let's discuss this first. All right. So that is the first thing you have to understand. Market is what bearish on this pair. On GPUSD, the same thing. Market traded to is what major point of interest right here. Broke structure. This is our major break structure right here, which is an old low that was taken out. Market create range structure back, induce it, use internal structure now, selling at this particular point. Market broke what? A major structural range right here by breaking this low. This is a major structure, right? So the next thing is what? Market to trade into another major structure, which is this structure range. All right, this structure range. So if market will give us a buy setup, we need market to a moment. Market will buy. We need market at least to trace into this range before we look for a higher highs based on what fundamental analysis. And fundamental analysis, most of the times, like interest rate, it leads. All right, it can market can be buying on interest rate. It will take like a week or 2 weeks before it start affecting currency pairs. On good report, they themselves sometimes they can be what wrong. All right, so this is why if fundamental analysis align with technical analysis, you use it accordingly. But if two of them did not align, either you stay out of the market for a while or you trade some technical analysis that you understand. So that is what you have to understand. So right here, we have market giving us what this bearish expansion currently. So that means on this time frame, I'm bearish on this clap until we have a change of trend, which I will update you guys on my Telegram channel. I do update my outlook of recent now, unlike before. All right, now we'll continue. USD JPY. Look at this. Okay, this was the one I gave for my private committee. Now, the first thing you have to understand right here is that market put weekly low, right? A weekly low, which can act as what inducement. So, and this is what a weekly break of structure. Though we're on daily time frame, it's a weekly break of structure. So after this break of structure, market came back into this range, to this area. Just kind of what, like a breaker level. Right? It's kind of like a breaker level. Just into this range, and it's offering now what a buy setup. You can see it right here, right? Market is offering a buy setup. It's offering us what a buy setup right here. This market is offering us a buy setup right here. On 4 hour time frame, market broke structure right here. So at this point, giving us what a reason that we will look for a bullish expansion is to this resistance zone first before we go higher to this level. So this is my outlook on this particular for this coming week, because I've gotten what a short-term break of structure to the upside, daily also rejecting this low. You can see how these candles are rejecting this particular low. So this is a good area for us to look forward. A short-term bullish expansion, if possible. If market get to this level, feel what turn bearish, we can what have a break of structure and make a new higher high at this particular point. The same thing on AUD USD. We see how market is what it has traded into this level. It's yet to give us any reason to buy, right? That means it can trade lower. And why will it likely trade lower? Because at this point, USA, they are using tariff against other countries, so which is what affecting USD positively and affecting other countries negatively. So that's another point. Mm. On this pair, USD JPY, USD Chef, the same thing, the same outlook I had on USD JPY. That's the same outlook I had here. So this one, the one I gave to my community. After market induced this little low right here. All right, this little low right here. This is inducement. During these two lows, market induced them. This is former structure range. That is complete inducement and using this week right as a pure. So market can offer us what a buy setup right here. Since it's off already what giving us what a buy setup. It has taken this as what liquidity. This would low as liquidity. So we can now expect what a short-term bullish expansion into this range to take out this high into this balance or even take out this little high right here. So this is what a short-term bullish expansion for the week. The same thing on this pair. I'm still expecting a buy. So the buy was around here when I was expecting it, but that was on Thursday. So looking for a buy. Even since on Wednesday, I've been expecting a buy on this particular pair, even from around here on 1 hour time frame. So that was okay. That was here. So I've been expecting a buy from this particular here the upside. And here market would created would range structure or unsupported low, came back, induce it before moving higher. So that is a complete inducement right there. Same thing on New Zealand USD. So this pair now is what still bearish downside. So that is all for the technical part. So we look at the report we have for the week. So we start from the very beginning. So on AUD, we notice right here on AUD, we went from minus 75,000 to minus 45,000. So that means AUD is gaining strength. So AUD is gaining strength, though it's not super strong. So you can pay it with other currencies that are weak. Other currencies that are weak. You can pay with all those other currencies. So on this pair, we went from what? Minus, let's say, minus 181,000 minus 137,000, which is Canadian dollar. So this shows that Canadian dollar is gaining strength little. But comparing it with other currencies, it's still what super weak. It's super weak comparing to other currencies. So that means CAD is still what weak. So when you are pairing it with, let's say, other currencies that are strong, like GPB, because GPB is strong, you know now that that means that GPB card will likely be in uptrend at that point. Why? Because GPB is strong. CAD is also strong, but it's not strong up to GPB, which in terms of technical analysis is also offering what a buy setup to the upside. So that is what one thing you have to understand. On Swiss francs, we see right here this trend, this pair, we see we went from minus 43,000 to minus 139,000. So it's not too strong, neither is it too week at this point. So you can see it right here in the last 3 weeks of it from minus 188 to minus 139. So that means they added or they close about 2,000 long position and close about 900 something short position or sell contracts right there. So it's not too strong, it's not weak, but overall it's weaker than us we have seen so far, right? So we have arrow, we have market going from minus 62,000 or minus 75,000 to minus 25,000. This shows that euro is gaining strength at this particular point. So it will be what trending on to the what upside against other weaker currencies. So this shows that euro is gaining strength. The same thing here, British pounds, as of we went from minus 22 to 1,000 minus 4,000. This means that GPB is what? Super strong. So if GPB is super strong, you shouldn't pay with other strong currencies like JPY. JPY is also strong. GPB is also strong. So what will happen most of the times is that these pairs, except there's another fundamental that would affect any of them that can push them stronger. If not, these pairs will likely what go into consolidation. All right, this pair will likely go into consolidation at least from last 2 weeks till now. You can see it right there. Why on good? We can see that what good is what they are adding sell position. So that means they are moving to the bearish side, which is the current bearish trend we are having currently as of last 3 weeks, which I do use most of the times, the 3 weeks or 3 months. That is how I use my coach report. 3 weeks, 3 months. So we see that we went from what minus 284, 284,000 to 261,000. So they close somewhat long or buy contract. You can see it right here. Minus 70,000, minus 10,000 close. So they close both on both sides of the market. Now we have here on Japanese yen, we went from what? We went from minus 900 something to 95,000. So this shows that what Japanese yen is super strong. All right. If Japanese yen is super strong, uh, you look for what other currencies that are what that are not too strong to pay it against them, so that you know how you trade or you trade. It will help you to your own advantage, because at that point, since this pair is strong, they are adding out of position. Pairs like let's say pairs that are weak, let's say which pair is weak, super weak. Let's say New Zealand JPY, right? New Zealand JPY is weak. If New Zealand, I meant to say, New Zealand itself is weak. So if New Zealand is weak and JPY is strong, you pay it like that, that will likely what push price lower to maximize your profit. So that is one major pair. Here we have New Zealand. You see it right here. One from minus what 14 in the last 3 weeks, one from minus 49,000 minus 53,000. This shows that New Zealand is becoming weaker and weaker. So that will help you now to know the pairs you will trade, the pairs that are strong and the pairs that are weak, and how you can pair each of them, aligning with your technical analysis. So that is all for today's weekly commentary using code report and other fundamental tools to our own advantage and technical analysis. So good luck, good trading.